Hi guys! I receive a lot of queries kung saan daw ako bumibili ng albums. First of all, I want to thank you guys for following my account, watching and liking my unboxing videos. Most of the albums na binibili ko is directly from the site. Now, I know the next question would be, edi mahal po yung shipping fee. So the answer here is no. Because I am using Buy and Ship mobile app. Here in Buy and Ship, I have my order delivered on the Korean or Japan warehouse kung saan man ako bumili directly from the website. Kaya yung shipping fee from the site to warehouse, minsan free or minsan around $2 to $3 lang. Then for the delivery naman from warehouse hanggang dito sa Philippines is much lesser if you compare dun sa diretsong delivery from the site dito sa Pilipinas. Yung mga photo cards ko na binibili ko monthly, yung photo cards lang without albums is nagpapasabay lang ako. Ang alam kong tawag dun is ghost or group order. So yun naman kapag hindi naman ako nagmamadaling ma-receive yun. To continue, I'm using Buy and Ship because sobrang bilis and smooth nung process. Yun nga, unlike Ghost, medyo expected talagang matadali yun. Pero pag albums talaga, I'm securing those directly kasi super excited ako to unbox and receive it immediately. For example, itong Weavers na unboxing ko or yung Weavers na binili ko. I bought 2 set of albums, total of 6 albums. So the Weavers started to ship it August 8. Then nung August 9, which is Friday, na sa warehouse na ni Buy and Ship sa Korea. So that date, I declared my shipment as well on the application. And they confirmed it is already on their warehouse na. Then dumaan yung weekends and nung Monday, August 12, I received a confirmation that my parcel is at their Hong Kong warehouse na. So this is where you will start consolidating your package and pay the fees. So since wala naman akong hinihintay na parcel, ayun, pinaship ko na. And my fee cost me 1,000 only. And if you have shipping credits pa, it's more cheaper. Lahat-lahat na yon for 6 albums, kasama ng service fee and shipping fee. So one-time payment lang talaga siya. Compared din sa direct shipping, cost me 2,000 plus. I guess I did that one time from K-Town. Ngayon ko lang talaga to buy directly and grabe, sobrang expensive talaga pag direct shipping. August 15, na-receive ko na siya sa bahay. So halos 1 week lang if you total the days from the site hanggang ma-receive mo. So yun, I've been using this Buy and Ship since I became a Eunice fans. Alam niyo naman ang ate niyo, ayaw nagpapahuli, gusto mauunang mag-unbox. Download na kayo ng Buy and Ship app, follow their pages as well, and you can use my referral code that is flash on the screen so you can get 400 pesos shipping credits for your first ever shipment directly. Madali lang siya, promise. It's super convenient and user-friendly. So, just to remind you, not only K-pop albums kahit ano to, kahit anong item you want to purchase from around the world, since marami naman silang warehouse. So, drop your comments if you have any questions or if you're curious about how to use the application, and I will gladly teach you how to use the app and we'll try to answer any of your questions. Yeah, just follow my page and I will be posting and uploading more videos to guide you how to use the app. That would be all, and thank you for watching. Bye!